All right, what's up, everybody? So we are about to do something super cool. When I was a kid, I used to play Gran Turismo 2 like every other car enthusiast kid, and had a lot of cars on there that I liked, a lot of different versions of different things, different race cars, street cars, you name it. But one of my favorite cars on Gran Turismo 2 was the MINES R34 GTR. And that was one of my first experiences with a GTR, on whether it's a video game or just period, just knowing about the vehicle. And really loved it a lot. Loved the MINES version. It was super fast, made some good horsepower. It was absolutely amazing vehicle on there. And anyways, fast forward now 20 plus years later, I finally have my own R34 GTR right here, and we're in Japan right now. But this is a cool thing. Today we are going to go visit MINES here in Japan. So I get to go see the shop that created the vehicle that I absolutely just love. And not only are we going to go visit it, but we're going to do something even cooler, and we're going to have my R34 GTR worked on by MINES themselves. They have their exhaust system, titanium exhaust, sitting right there right now, ready for me. We're going to go there, get it installed, and it's going to be a pretty cool deal to be able to have the shop that created the vehicle that I loved so much on Gran Turismo 2 when I was a kid. Now I get to take my own R34 GTR there, get titanium exhaust, have it put on, and I actually can say that MINES, their actual shop, worked on my car, put their own parts on my car, and a part that actually makes a big difference with the car, right? The exhaust system. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty pumped about that. So we're about to take the trip over there, go to MINES, meet them, and have my car worked on by MINES themselves. This is gonna be cool. All right, we just arrived with both of our R34 GTRs here to MINES, the infamous MINES. Look at that. I gotta show you all that. Heck yeah. We just arrived at MINES. Things are about to get pretty cool, pretty fun, really quick. Just arrived inside. This is just the most, oh my gosh, this is so cool. We got these MINES engines and all these other MINES parts. I might end up buying some more MINES things while I'm here. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look at everything that they have here, and these, look at these right here. Oh my goodness. MINES everything. I mean, this is really cool. PlayStation controller, so you could play probably Gran Turismo or something, where all those MINES vehicles we're on. Oh my gosh, that's pretty cool. I love these die casts right here. Wow, yeah, these are what are these, iPhone covers? Holy moly, I didn't realize they had iPhone covers too. Wow, that's cool. That's cool. I might end up getting one of these. That one for sure, maybe. We got MINES DVDs here. What the? Golly, this place is awesome. This place is like even cooler than Nismo. What? All right, so we also pulled out some more parts. I was already super excited about the MINES exhaust that we're putting on the car, but now we're looking at their strut tower brace from MINES. So I'm gonna end up purchasing this thing here. I gotta get whatever MINES parts I can get right here while here in Japan. Get these on the car because I'm super in love with the MINES shop and everything they've done over the last many years in motorsports, especially for the 34 GTR platform. They're opening up this one. I think this is like the bare metal one, so or the bare look, whatever you want to call it. Oh my gosh, this thing is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, look at this thing. Look at this. This is a beauty right here. This is a beauty for sure. Wow. Look at that craftsmanship. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. Definitely putting this on the car. Definitely putting this on the car. They are pulling my car out back. Wow. MINES taking my car in to get serviced, not just serviced, to do some modifications. Wow, this is cool. This is super cool. Wow. That is awesome. There we go. Let me scoot back here and take a look as they pull it in. Oh man, that's awesome. Getting the GTR pulled in right here at MINES. And the MINES exhaust is on. We could not record while in there. They're super, super secret about everything. But man, titanium. Here at MINES, their titanium exhaust is now on, installed. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Looks really, really good. Looks super, super solid. Love that titanium look. Oh my gosh. Looks really, I've never had a titanium exhaust before on a car, so this is quite interesting for me. And you know, just to be able to finally have that on the car is really, really nice. You can see right there, all brand new exhaust from front to back. Everything got the titanium tips right there. This thing sounds good, nice little purr. It's their high power, like silencer, exhaust, whatever you want to call it. It ends up basically being, you know, it's not like a super, super loud exhaust, but a nice crisp, nice solid, you know, wholesome sound. We'll do a drive on it and you can hear what it sounds like, maybe do some drive-bys, all that stuff, but really, really nice exhaust. Went in pretty quick. I mean, the whole process from start to finish, from taking off the other exhaust, putting this one in, like 30 minutes, I think, max. I mean, it's super, super quick. So yeah, man, this is exciting to be here at MINES and to be able to have this put on my car, my 34 GTR, after seeing all these videos of the MINES R34 GTR from the 90s and early 2000s, watching that thing rip around, do all the great things it did, and then now MINES worked on my car and put their parts on there. It's just super cool to have that opportunity. And now I got to listen to their beautiful exhaust for a really, really long time. Thank you, MINES. These guys don't mess around. They don't mess around. So taking off the strut tower brace, the stock one, and then we'll be throwing on my MINES strut tower brace. Obviously the thickness between these two things are way different. This is the stock one right there. The aftermarket one from MINES in there is gonna be going on this. Increasing my handling ability, also with my coilovers that I got on there. Wow, yeah, this is exciting. We were just in the shop earlier doing the exhaust. I couldn't do any video on the exhaust because they don't allow any video in there because they're super, super secret about everything, which is cool. Makes this even cooler to know that you're like in this exclusive territory. But yeah, no, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, this thing's coming off now. The stock one. Stock one coming off. Alrighty, so the MINES strut tower brace is going on right now. Oh my gosh, it looks absolutely beautiful on this motor now. Look at that. Look at that thing. Wow. This is perfect. This is awesome. He's bolting it down now. Easy part to install. Nothing too complicated about it, but it's gonna help out some handling. Definitely a lot thicker than the stock original strut tower brace that comes with the R34 GTR. Now we got a bigger, thicker one from MINES Motorsports. And yeah, this thing is pretty cool. It is pretty cool. And it is complete. We have our MINES strut tower brace on now, looking absolutely gorgeous. And also my little Nismo, I forget what it's called, but that thingy right there. I'm just super excited about the MINES stuff right now. I mean, to be able to come to MINES, have them themselves put their hands on my vehicle, get the strut tower brace on, and not only get the strut tower brace on as well, but also install their titanium exhaust on my car. I finally got a legit exhaust on this thing. Looking so blue and beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. This has been super, super exciting. I am loving this. This is cool. We are here at MINES and they are making things happen, installing stuff on our cars. Even Jay got some stuff installed as well. He has his Nismo part, his Nismo whatever it's called again, but it's cool. And the MINES strut tower brace as well, so he got some stuff done. Some HKS stuff here too as well. But we're here for MINES and he got the MINES stuff, so yeah. Mission accomplished for today. MINES has worked on our R34 GTRs. What an honor. This is amazing. This is cool. Yeah, that's all I gotta say.